Hi guys, welcome to my channel, welcome to my vlog. Today is holiday for public basic schools in Ghana. The kids are at home with me. Join me in my typical traditional Ghanaian compound kitchen. Let's make breakfast for the kids. Today's breakfast is Hausa cocoa, that is millet porridge and kosi. Let's start with the beans flour. Let's beat the beans as we prepare the kosi. So I put the beans in a pot, added enough water, and I prepare to beat it. I will mix it very well. Check the texture to see if it is okay. So I'm mixing the beans. As you can see, that is the bean flour. I added a bit of water. When I checked and found that the texture was not good, I decided to add a bit of the beans flour. As you can see, I'm adding some beans flour. I will beat it till it rises so that when I fry, the coleslaw will be fluffy, to be soft and fluffy. Yeah, so that's how you can use a wooden spatula, but I wanted it fast. So I decided to use my hand. Using your hands make it rise faster. Using the wooden spatula takes a bit of time. So I decided to use my hand since it's for the family, it's for the kids. As I beat, I have prepared the fire, waiting to put on water. I will boil water. You see, I was calling my daughter to come and put water on fire so that we will prepare the porridge. Yeah. So I keep beating. At this point, I hadn't gotten the desired texture I wanted, so I kept beating it. I kept beating it. Beat it for a while. Yeah. I asked her to put water on fire. So let's go and check our fire. Our water on fire. Let's check it. One thing about cooking, you see, I've put the water on fire. Have you seen? A typical traditional compound kitchen. It's made of the head. The head is a 4 stone placed in a triangle shape. And then you put your firewood inside. You light it up so that it supports. So I see I've put the water on fire. The blue paint over there contains the Hausa cocoa dough. I did not prepare the Hausa cocoa dough from scratch. Now, let's mix our kosi. I've gotten the desired texture. Now I'm adding salt. Yeah. After adding salt, I added in. After adding salt, I beat it a bit. I mixed it. Now I'm adding blended pepper and onion. Blended pepper and onion. Yeah. You need pepper. It's a seasoning to make the kosi tasty. Or bean pudding, bean cake. Blended onion and pepper. If you add it, it acts as a seasoning to your bean cake. Yeah. So you see, I'm mixing it. As I'm mixing it, I have my silver with oil in it on the coal pot. heating. I'm preheating it. I'm preheating it. By now, the water on fire is boiling. So I will prepare the porridge first, and then come back to fry the course. Yeah. So let's go and prepare our porridge. Let's go and prepare our porridge. Then we'll come back later to fry the course, so you see how the course is. So as you just so you know, I'm not a chef. I'm just a homemaker who is just trying to video or vlog her cooking, how she serves her family. I'm a homemaker who uses a typical or who cooks in a typical traditional compound kitchen. I do not own a modern kitchen. It's meant to be temporary. However, I've, I've been cooking in the open compound for about 3 to 4 years. I pray I get a kitchen which will make my cooking less stressful. Now let's focus here. I've mixed the powder cocoa dough with water and I'm pouring into the hot water. After pouring it, I'm stirring it. I know there are others who will bring the hot water down before they add the powder cocoa dough. Well, I've never done it like that. I have always prepared my porridge on fire. I've always prepared it. I did not prepare the millet dough from scratch. My mother is a porridge seller, so I went to her house and fetched some cocoa dough to prepare a porridge for my family. Yeah, so as you can see, that's my house. That porridge on fire. That's the house. I'm stirring it. It's not yet done. It's not yet done. So like I was saying, I cook in a typical traditional compound kitchen under the open sky in the open compound. It is very stressful, unlike modern kitchen where you have things arranged in place. Here you bring your cooking utensils and ingredients outside when you want to cook. You are under the mercy of the animals in the compound, like the chickens, the goat, if you read one, sheep, and we have sheep and chickens in our compound. So that makes cooking in my typical traditional compound very stressful. Well, what can I do? Now our porridge is done. We brought it out of fire. Now let's focus on our course. Join me, let's fry the course. Let's see how it turns out. Let's see. Watch till the end so you see how our course turn out. Yeah, I'm preparing to fry. Well, I do not have a smaller ladle. I do not have a smaller ladle to take the bean pudding into the hot oil. No, I do not. So I will be using the bigger ladle. I will be using the bigger ladle, but I will measure it. Oh, I'm starting to serve this. I'm putting it into the oil. Check out and see how our kose turn out. We are frying kose. We are frying kose. You see, I serve some into the hot water. I portion it to the desirable sizes. Despite the ladle being bigger, there's a particular small ladle that you use to scoop the bean pudding into the hot water. I do not have that. I do not have that. So I'm using my ladle. Let's wait. Let's wait. Now see, Our bean cake is golden brown. I've turned it. I've turned it. That's the first batch of our course. As the first batch of our coast. And just as I said, I got the Hausa cocoa dough from my mother. At the same way, I got the bean flour. I did not prepare the bean flour myself. I fetched it from my mother's bean flour pan. I went to her house, fetched Hausa cocoa dough, and then I fetched now bean flour to make bean cake, bean pudding or coast for my kids on this holiday. Now check it. That's our first batch. You see, you can see my face. It's a bit, you don't mind. I have a very serious face. I'm a very serious person. I have a serious personality. Yeah, so my face is very serious. Whatever I'm doing, my face is very serious. Do not mind my face. Now, we brought our first cake out of it. I'm scooping another batch into the hot oil. I'm scooping another batch of bean cake into the hot oil. Life of a traditional homemaker. This is the life of a traditional homemaker. Do you cook in a traditional compound? Do you cook? Do you prepare, serve your family from a typical traditional African kitchen setting? Share your experience with me in the comment sections. How is it like? Especially if you hold if you hold or if you work outside the home too, how do you combine it? Cooking in the typical traditional compound, you deal with a lot, especially not having your utensils and ingredients and kitchen tools at one place. It's stressful, but at the end of the day, you get to serve your family a delicious meal. Enjoy the rest of the video. See you in the next episode. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you. Do not get angry. Very. Oh, legs, my baby. It's my baby. Oh, legs, my baby. Thank you. Walkway. Walkway, me uncle. That's an asset. Four, 5, 8. Hello. Go, Mama, Mama can come. Go, Mama can come. Go, Mama can come. You can come. You can come. Your brother can come. What are the other? Not the boy. Not the boy.
Hi, Tita. I see your bed, Joe. Tita. Anakula ye baby flower. Na wo Tita kuni.
Sam se mra fa okoko.
Sam say. My frau.
Me ko se ni ya.
Biya ka safa ko se.
Mo be di ni. Abraham. Opa ko na wa. I am the host. Shaida. I am the host of Abraham Portia.
Som
Portia is you didn't yeah, me kala na.
Coco.
Shaima, unugo gonu.
Ko se ni mu chi no ha ya. Papa mo ya no me ka se mu yesti. You did this in the Portia mo ka picture na ke bi.